Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sticker sets in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Telegram app. Here it usually opens up in the messages board, but we can either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner to proceed. Here in this list, we tap on settings. And here in the settings menu, we find the chat settings. We tap on this. Here we have to scroll down a bit and find the stickers and emoji. This little button. We tap on it. And then at the bottom, or rather at the top, there is trending stickers. We tap on this. And here we can select from this list of trending stickers any set that we like and add it to our collection and use it in our chats. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.